There is a promise Allah made that applies to you specifically, right now, in whatever you're going through. Not a vague hope. An actual promise, written down, unbreakable. And you might have forgotten it exists, simply because you've been too deep in the hard part to remember the guarantee attached to it. You didn't have to ask Allah for this particular promise. He made it in advance, long before you ever found yourself in the situation that would need it. Allah says in the Quran, Allah has promised those who have believed among you and done righteous deeds that He will surely grant them succession to authority upon the earth. That promise wasn't written for a hypothetical believer somewhere else. It was written with people like you in mind, the ones who keep showing up, keep believing, even while the fulfillment is still unfolding. You've probably had moments where the hardship felt so heavy that the promise attached to it felt distant, almost theoretical. But a promise doesn't require your ability to see its fulfillment for it to remain true. It stays intact whether or not you can currently trace its progress. Allah, keeping His word, was never contingent on your visibility into the process. You might be tempted to set a deadline in your head. If relief doesn't come by a certain point, you'll decide the promise failed. But the promise was never bound by your timeline. It was bound by Allah's, and His timing has authority. Yours doesn't. Extending your patience doesn't mean the promise is running out. It means you haven't reached the moment it was written for yet. Tonight, when the hardship feels louder than the promise, say it out loud anyway. Allah promised me this, and He does not break His promise. Not because you feel it yet, but because Allah said it, and His word doesn't need your feelings to remain true. Allah made you a promise. It hasn't expired. It's still being kept. Comment, I'm holding on to it. If you're trusting that promise today, and if someone you know needs this reminder, send it to them. Allah Hafiz.